Hey everyone, welcome back. In this Playwright tutorial, I'm going to discuss quickly about the mouse operation, basically the right click and double click. So we have understood about different other mouse operations that you can perform within Playwright, but right click and double click is also very important. So let's quickly go ahead and understand how you can handle right click and double click. So if you go to the API, right? So let me switch to the Node.js API. And here, if you see that we have the locator, right? So locator class, and let's first see how, say for example, you want to double click on a locator or right click on a locator at a particular locator, what you can do, right? So locator, if you see in the right hand side, you have different methods that are available for this locator class, and we have this click method that we have been using, and also we have the double click. So we know that for double click there is a method .dbl click, right, which is double click, and that means basically if you want to double click you can use this double click method. But then how we can right click? If you see in the double click method itself, you can pass options as well, and in the options you see the button as left mouse button or the right mouse button or the middle mouse button, right? So by default, if you do not pass any option within this particular method, it is left button always, right? Similarly, if we talk about the right click, right? So if you have to right click, simply same method click will do for it. The only thing is basically within click you have to pass the options as right. So by default it defaults to the left, but then if you want to right click you have to pass the option as right. Okay, so this is at the locator level. Now if we talk about right click, let's say right click, let me search right click. Okay, so it came to the same position, but then in the mouse as well. So in the mouse class as well, if you go here below locator, below logger, you'll get the mouse class, and in the mouse class as well, I have click and double click methods available as well. So if you click on, if you see the click method, it's absolutely same. Instead of the locator.click, you want to basically specify mouse.click, and when you say click, you have the option for X and Y or the coordinates, and then the options, right? So you on a particular page, say for example this whole viewport, where exactly you want to click, right? You want to click right or left, so this is the coordinate that you provide where exactly it will go ahead and click. And in the options you can specify whether it's right, left. By default it's left. If you want to right click, you simply pass the right in the option. Similarly with the double click, if you want to double click with the left button, then you leave it as default, but if you want to double click with the right button, then you provide the option as right. Okay, so this is basically on a high level in terms of documentation. Now let's quickly go ahead and write a script for performing right click and double click. Okay, so I'll quickly go ahead in the mouse and keyboard script here, and then let me copy the old script that we have created, and I'll say just execute this one. So I'll say test.only, and this is right click and double click. So I'll say right click and double click demo. All right, and here let me just delete everything else, and then what I'll do is I'll open this particular text box, which is online text box available, and then in the text area let me type something in there. Okay, and after typing in, if we say for example, let me open this. If I say follow link, so here if I say for example I typed in something, say for example this is what I typed in, and if I'll double click, right, default double click will highlight this academy. Okay, and then if I'll right click, it will open this particular screen. Okay, so let's see that after typing in something, I'll double click and then I'll right click and it works as expected. Okay, so what I'll do is here I'll simply say wait page.locator. Okay, and let me copy this, and then I'll say double click, right? So as soon as you'll see you put the dot there, so on the locator you have the double click method, that's why it's available. And if I don't provide any options there, right, so by default it will be a left click, but if you want to have the right double click with the right button, then you can provide the options in here in the curly braces. So I can say, so if you just highlight how you have to pass, basically you just pass it as a string for the button, right, which button you want to click, right? So if I say button and then colon, and in the string you can say right or left, something like that, right? So but by default, because it's a left click and we want to do the left click, so I'll just keep it as is, and then I'll go ahead and do the right click in the same text area. Okay, so I'll say locator dot right click. Okay, so I'll say click. There is no specific right click method. So in the click, I'll pass the option which button to click, right? So I'll simply say button, and for the button, so button, and in the button I'll simply say right. Okay, and that will help me to click on the right or right click, okay, in the text area. So this is how you are going to double click or right click. Now this I'm doing at the locator. I can also do on the page at the coordinates, right? So for that I can use the mouse class, right? So I'll say, something like that. So if you see the documentation, you'll see I can say mouse dot double click or mouse dot click. Okay, so that's the mouse class which will perform that action. Okay, so let me save this and let's run this particular test case and see if it is working as expected. So it has opened the website and you'll see that it's typing sequentially, and you'll see the double click and it has highlighted, and the right click has popped up this right click window, right? So that's basically how you are going to perform the right click or double click. Now this is the Windows pop-up as such, but then in the real scenarios, if you have any such kind of requirement wherein you need to perform right click mouse operation, now you know there are classes and methods available out of the box that you can go ahead and use as documented or as provided in the documentation. And that's why this official documentation is really handy, helpful. It has all the information along with the examples that you can follow to go ahead and learn or get aware of what is available and use it in your. So that's all for this particular video. I hope it was helpful. See you in the next one. Thank you.